Your current platform doesn't support multiple channels, or your support agents drown under a pile of tickets. It's a sign you need a fresh start. Or should we just say, Freshdesk? Freshdesk is the gold standard for help desk solutions aimed at smaller businesses. Multiple price plans plus a consistent user interface make it an easy pick for end users across the globe. But what else makes it a perfect fit? In this video, we've reviewed Freshdesk UI, core features, pricing, pros and cons. Want to see our review videos first? Subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to get notified about our latest videos, help desk systems news, and useful guides. UI. Freshdesk's customizable dashboard presents a mixture of graphics and numeric data that can span everything. Ticket categories, today's trends, unresolved tickets, resolutions, and forums. The navigation is straightforward, even for first-time users, and it has a familiar vertical toolbar with a hamburger menu. The New button at the top can be used to create tickets, emails, and contacts. Next to New, you have Search, Notifications, News on Freshdesk, and Schedule. There you access the user profile and add or edit your profile settings. On the left sidebar, you have your work area, tickets, contacts and companies, solutions, chatbots, reports, settings, and analytics. Core features. Digging into the core functionality of any help desk platform means looking at how it manages incoming and completed trouble tickets. Freshdesk lets you get tickets from just about anywhere. It automatically converts customer emails, Twitter mentions, and comments on your Facebook pages into support tickets. You can create custom ticket fields specific to your business to organize all tickets better. On top of that, Freshdesk includes such features as Team Huddle, shared ownership, linked tickets, and parent-child ticketing to facilitate resolving issues. The app focuses on automating as much of the customer service experience as possible, mainly through bot features. Chatbots and self-service portals can solve a significant number of the most common support requests you'll get in a customer-facing scenario. You can also execute scenario automations. This feature lets you carry out a series of updates like setting a ticket's priority, trouble type, and status, and assigning a ticket to a particular agent or group. You can use these saved views to limit your search list to specific standard criteria without manually filtering the list each time. Freshdesk also includes automation rules to create and update tickets in trigger time. Canned responses are another way to help reduce how much time it takes to answer frequently asked questions. Freshdesk provides a templating capability that lets you pre-fill information based on previous interactions with a specific customer. On the other hand, Freshdesk draws deep insights with advanced help desk reporting. For example, it lets you see help desk performance, group performance, agent performance, ticket volume trends, ticket lifecycle, and more. Pricing. Freshdesk has pretty much simple pricing, 4 packages including a free plan. The platform pricing is based on the number of users and starts at $15 per month per agent in the growth plan. The fee grows with each plan as every higher plan offers a bigger number of automated and custom features like custom email server, custom roles, SLA reminder and escalation, auto triage, and others. So, Freshdesk's plans are great for small businesses as they are scalable to meet business demands as it grows. Pros and cons. There's always a place for improvement. And this phrase might become a motto for Freshdesk. Numerous clients choose the help desk across the globe because of a built-in phone system that clients use to reach our agents. Integration with Facebook and other social media apps helps to keep an eye on what is happening worldwide. The support portal is a one-stop destination where customers find answers and reach out for help. The gamification mechanics turn the monotonous customer support job into an enjoyable activity for agents. However, Freshdesk has drawbacks as lack of video call execution-oriented tools, a tedious process of customizing reports, slow bug fix. Overall, Freshdesk is still a leader for small businesses that need customer-style problem resolution. The solution is intuitive and easy to customize to fit your company's branding. Its out-of-the-box functionality is unparalleled. If this help desk supports the third-party business tools you like, it can be a cost-efficient choice to manage your tickets and agents. Interested in migrating your data to Freshdesk? Help desk migration can make it happen.